Gaps of administration in Goa. We will take up separately. When you say escort services, it has brought a bad name to the state of Goa. आमची जे कल्चर, आमची हेरिटेज, संस्कृती आमी म्हणटा काय बरी गोंयची रिच कल्चर आयज कसलें नांव दिलां. When you say escort services, it is a refined name for prostitution. Is this what Goa stands for? Everybody in the government is aware. If you want, you can crack down. Give a free hand to the police. Otherwise, where are we headed? We have been telling prostitution, drugs, rapes, murder. We have become a capital in the country. Goa is a capital now of drugs, capital of unemployment, capital of rape, whatever. We have been saying it. Azunui tar sarkarak laws disna to crack down on these particular things. That means they are enjoying the benefits of all this trade.
Sir, are we going the Bangkok way?
I think so. We are already there in that. Because एक स्वामीजीन म्हणले, याद आसा? आमच्या एका स्वामीजीन म्हणले की I felt I am in Thailand. I think so few months back he had said. This is how they are projecting. We can bring good tourism. Tourism was always something which was very good and decent in Goa. As जेन्ना tourism minister म्हणटा, we will make Goa into a 5-star tourism. I'm saying or 5 whatever first class, we become third class. पहिले म्हणा मी third class करून सोडला आणि they are only looking at how much profit they will earn. Gratification, nothing else. And as far as your land rates and all these are concerned which they have hiked, आम्ही पयलीं सान म्हणटा गोंयकारांकडे घेवंक जावचें ना, तुमी आनीक वाडयलें. गोवन, अ कॉमन गोवन सिटीजन आपणाची शीतकडी जेवन दीस काडटा ताचे कडेन कांयच घेवंक जावचें ना. जमनी काबार जातल्यो जेन्ना भुरगीं वाडटलीं जमनीच आसचें ना. खंय वतले? कर्नाटकाक, महाराष्ट्राक? वेर आर आर चिल्ड्रन? दे विल बी फोर्स्ड टू लीव दिस स्टेट. We will take up politically. We have to fight this battle because this battle is not for you and me. The battle is for the future of our generations to come.